Remember the excitement around a bikini scene in Bollywood when it was the ultimate showstopper and everyone waited to catch a glimpse? Why did Bollywood's bikini scenes, once the talk of the town, became just another casual flick on the screen? And has our relationship with these scenes changed forever? Welcome to Nitpicker, where we are diving deep into how the bikini went from being Bollywood's hottest trend to, well, just another trend. Stick around to find out. The bikini, believe it or not, has had a fascinating journey in Bollywood. It went from being scandalous to sensational, then to somewhat ordinary. There was a time when one bikini appearance would be enough to get fans to the theater, but now the thrill seems to have faded. Why? Let's take a walk through Bollywood history to figure it out. Let's start at the beginning. The first appearances of a bikini in Bollywood were major cultural moments. In 1967, Sharmila Tagore made waves wearing a swimsuit on screen in An Evening in Paris. The audiences back then had never seen anything like it, and the boldness of this moment defined her as an icon. It was both shocking and mesmerizing for viewers. This scene wasn't just about glamour, it was a statement. As time passed, other actresses occasionally slipped into swimsuits or bikinis, but it remained a rare, memorable event. Jeanat Aman in Kurbani and Dimple Kapadia in Bobby each caused a stir with their respective appearances. These scenes weren't taken lightly. They were discussed, scrutinized, and celebrated, cementing their place in Bollywood history. When A-list actresses took the plunge. Then came a period when A-list actresses began to embrace the bikini, transforming it from a novelty into a mainstream fashion choice. This era brought us many iconic moments that were marked as the highlights of the movie. Who can forget Priyanka Chopra walking out of the ocean in Dostana or Isha Deva's stunning scene in Dhoom? And of course, Kareena Kapoor's transformation and her size zero bikini moment in Tashan. These weren't just scenes, they were events specifically designed to draw audiences. For each actress, donning a bikini became a strategic choice, showing confidence, breaking boundaries, and naturally creating buzz. These scenes didn't just raise eyebrows, they made headlines. Actresses like Bipasa Basu, Malika Sherawat, and Lisa Haynes were frequently asked to wear bikinis with different designs or cuts that catered to a specific look directors wanted. These decisions weren't simply about a style but about creating hype and bringing something fresh to the screen that could grab headlines. The social media influence. Now, fast forward to the era of social media. As Instagram and Twitter started to shape celebrity image building, bikinis became part of daily vacation snapshots and photo shoots. Suddenly, the exclusivity of the bikini scene in Bollywood began to fade. Fans were now seeing stars in beach wear whenever they pleased. The bikini had lost its shock factor because audiences could view it in a more relatable everyday setting. This accessibility led to a big shift. The mystique of waiting to see an actress in a bikini on the big screen was replaced by a scroll through a feed. Actresses like Malika Arora and Disha Patni regularly post in swimsuits, making it all feel less theatrical and more like part of their natural style. What was once a Bollywood moment had now become part of the influencer culture. Take these examples. For some of Bollywood's younger stars like Janhvi Kapoor, Sara Ali Khan, and Ananya Pandey, the bikini is hardly a big deal anymore. Despite their popularity on social media, these actresses haven't worn bikini on screen as part of their film roles yet. However, their Instagram feeds are filled with vacation shots, photo shoots, and candid beach moments. The allure of the first bikini scene had been muted for these actresses since audiences already see them frequently in swimsuits. Even if these stars did a bikini scene, would it really create the kind of stare that Priyanka, Kareena, or Isha generated back in the day? Social media has allowed fans to see these stars in relaxed, personal settings, making the bikini less of a statement and more of a regular outfit. Exceptions that still held appeal. While bikini might have lost their wow factor for the most part, some actresses still manage to create mystery around their appearances. Take Bunty or Bubbly 2 with Sharvari. Despite being fairly new, her bikini appearance was hyped and even discussed as the highlight of the film. Similarly, Shraddha Kapoor's bikini look in Tu Jhoti Main Makkar was marketed with an air of intrigue. These cases remind us of the original allure, when the costume is less about the bikini itself and more about the context. However, these instances are becoming rare and stand out more because they are exceptions rather than the rule. So, why are we seeing the bikini lose its iconic appeal in Bollywood? It comes down to exposure, both literally and figuratively. Audiences are no longer surprised by a two-piece on screen. The accessibility of vacation snaps and the era of hyperconnectivity have shifted how we perceive these looks. The demand for more provocative content has also risen. And now Bollywood is edging into territories once considered taboo, with scenes of intimacy and nudity becoming more common. The bikini just doesn't hold the same power it once did. Now, if you're still watching, maybe it's because you expected a compilation of Bollywood's most famous bikini moments. Or maybe you have genuinely curious about why these scenes have lost their charm. Either way, the bikini scene, once thrilling and novel, now sits somewhere between nostalgia and mainstream fashion. So, are bikini scenes in Bollywood over? Not entirely, but they have certainly evolved from being the headliner to just another wardrobe choice in cinema's vast landscape. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to Nitpicker for more intriguing Bollywood breakdowns. Maybe next time we'll talk about how Bollywood's embracing nudity. So stay tuned. There's more juicy content on the way. Thank you for watching and keep nitpicking with us.